Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. We're on the 235 Grady-White. This is a dual console boat. These have become super popular, and especially the 235, one of our best-selling boats at MarineMax. One thing that you're going to notice when you get on a Grady-White is when you come up to this back door here, the entrance door, it's not a little piece of plastic and little tiny hinges. It's super heavy-duty built. Look at how I'm over 200 pounds and that doesn't even flex under me. A lot of our competition uses a little piece of cutting board back here in the back for a door. Overly built, that's what you're going to see everywhere on Grady-White. Freshwater shower, as soon as you step on board, you can rinse that salt water off, rinse the mud off your feet. You've got a ski pile in here. This isn't just a fishing boat, it's a family boat. So you're pulling skiers or tubers around, you've got a nice ski pile on that gets out of the way, live well, fish box. Here's the game changer for the day. Retractable sure shade. This is the manufacturer's sure shade. It's a nice crank in, crank out sunshade on here. You're gonna love how that's a day extender for you. What's common to see on Grady-Whites is the back seat that folds out. Look how easy that comes out. There's no sharp corners on that. A lot of the boats that you look at today have got knee knockers and shin knockers on. Take a look at those when you're looking at some of our competitors. Folds away real easy. Got nice combing pads on the side here. You're moving forward. This sun lounger on here, that's awesome. This is electrically actuated, so the bottom of this goes out. I ain't gonna take the time to do that, but this one extends out and connects with the back seat. So then you've got like an L-shaped seating in the aft cockpit area. Really nice double wide comfortable seat right here. Look at the captain's chair on this. You don't see this quality in our competitors' boats. Armrests on here, they go up and down. Flip up thigh rise bolster. This goes up and down, slides back and forth. There's gonna be a comfortable position for this seat. This is as fine as it comes in. I mean, this is yacht quality stuff that you see in 60, 70-foot boats. Plenty of room for your multifunction display, GPS, fish finder up there. You've got a head down below, really roomy, great place to change clothes. Bow close off door, so those cold or rainy days you can shut that, shut the windshield, you've got the protection. And then right here we've got an anchor windlass for pulling in that anchor, saving your back and your arms. I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Call me for a test ride today.